losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Realme GT5 Pro just launched today. Fast refresh rate, brightest OLED display, flagship processor, super premium design, flagship camera sensor, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Realme GT5 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is Realme GT5 Pro's box. Removing the plastic wrapping and open the lid of the box. Inside, the first thing you encounter is the cardboard packaging. Within this, there is a protective case, SIM ejector tool and a user manual neatly placed. What stands out next is a 100-watt power adapter, which comes with a Type A out. The protective case is securely within the hard form for adding protection. The Realme GT5 Pro running on a flagship processor stand out as the most budget-friendly option with the high-end design. Spotting the signature red rock color, it diverges from the typical plain leather back. Instead, it's adopt a tech nano skin, offering a remarkably pleasant tactile feel. This material not only feels great but also ensures durability with its robust compositions. Examining the back, you will notice texture reminiscent of leather, featuring a distinctive lychee pattern. These textures offer a robust tactile sensation, akin to the material found on the DSLR camera. Now shifting focus to the camera, it may appear familiar, yet the design has been enhanced. The module showcases refined self lines, and encircling the camera module, you will find an orange accent ring, adding a touch of flair to the overall aesthetics. The camera module showcases a starlight track lens design on its surface, giving it a shiny appearance through the light reflections. This design elements lends a high-end feel to the camera module. As for the phone's frame, it's constructed from duralumin metal, a light alloy material comprising elements like aluminum, copper and others. This material not only maintains a lightweight profile but also boasts a heat resistance properties. The overall design leans towards simplicity, with the only notable branding being the Realme logo on the back. Talking about the Realme GT5 Pro's display, it features the BOE display panel this time around. This panel offers a peak brightness of 4500 nits, making it the highest and brightest OLED screen available. Not only does it boast the exceptional brightness, but it also provides the higher screen to body ratio. The upper bezel and the lower chin are considerably slim, enhancing the overall visual experience. The screen isn't extensively curved, striking a balance that ensures an excellent viewing experience without an overly pronounced curve. Absolutely, the Realme GT5 Pro promises a fantastic gaming experience. It's equipped with the 1.5K resolution screen and boasts a high-frequency PWM dimming feature of 2160 Hz. This combination not only enhances the gaming visual but also ensures the excellent eye protection during the prolonged usage. In terms of performance, the Realme GT5 Pro houses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a flagship processor that has been featured in several phones this year. The Realme GT5 Pro boasts an Antutu score surpassing 2.1 million, showcasing its impressive performance. When it comes to the heat dissipation, it features the 12,000 square mm VC board. This efficient heat dissipation system ensures that the gaming sessions are smooth and uninterrupted. In the test scenario, playing the Star Trek game at the highest setting for 30 minutes, the average frame rate reaches up to 57.5 frames per second. This demonstrates the device's capability to maintain the solid performance even under the intense game condition. You can customize the GPU and CPU frequency for the various games, which is the crucial feature for optimizing performance. Speaking for the Realme GT5 Pro's camera, it doesn't just boast a premium design but also houses a robust camera setup. It includes the rear-facing triple camera setup with the 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 sensor, similar to the one found in the OnePlus 12. The sensor size is 1 by 1.4 inch, contributing to its exceptional image capabilities. The Realme GT5 Pro features the secondary Sony IMX615 ultra-wide sensor. Third camera is a game changer, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. This inclusion marks a significant shift for Realme. What's remarkable is that this periscope camera houses the Sony IMX890 sensor, which set is apart. This sensor has been featured as the main camera in numerous flagship phones, including the Oppo Find X6 Pro from the last year. The result for this camera, whether it's daylight or low light, are expected to be outstanding. The Realme GT5 Pro stands as the only phone in the market featuring the combination of the periscope camera with the Sony IMX890 sensor. Moreover, the software in the Realme GT5 Pro has undergone significant optimization. It now utilizes semantic segmentation algorithm alongside AI algorithm, especially in representing light and shadow effects. I can provide you with the sample photos for reference.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Realme GT5 Pro is equipped with the 5400 mAh battery that holds up remarkably well. After 2 hours of medium to heavy usage, it retains an impressive 88% of its battery. Charging capabilities are top-notch with the support of 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. In terms of pricing, the base variant starts around 3,298 Chini Yuan, roughly £370 in the UK and $465 in the US. In conclusion, the Realme GT5 Pro delivers a superb display with its exceptional brightness level. The camera setup, especially the inclusion of the flagship grade periscope telephoto lens with the Sony sensor, stand out as it's the biggest advantage. Coupled with the outstanding performance powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor, it's poised to be a top contender. The next anticipation is the launch in the UK and the pricing detail, which will provide a clearer picture of its availability and cost in the market. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
Vastness of all that is black.